everyone, welcome to lectures by Aparna. In today's video, let us discuss a question from the topic Mason's gain formula in control system. I will read the question. In the signal flow graph shown below, find the gain C by R. So this is the signal flow graph. There are four options. We have to find the gain C by R here, and for that we have to apply Mason's gain formula. Mason's gain formula is given like this. Here M is the overall gain, Pk is the gain of the kth forward path, delta is equal to 1 minus sum of all individual loop gains plus sum of gain products of all possible combinations of two non-touching loops minus sum of gain products of all possible combinations of three non-touching loops plus etc. Delta k is same as delta but formed by loops not touching kth forward path. So here there are four loops. This is one loop L1, this is a second loop L2, this is a third loop L3 and this is the fourth loop L4. So the loop gains will be like this. L1 is the loop gain of L1, that is equal to 2 into minus 1, that is minus 2. Loop gain of L2 is equal to 3 into minus 1, that is minus 3. Loop gain of L3 is 4 into minus 1, that is minus 4. Now the loop gain L4 will be equal to 5 into this minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. That will be equal to minus 5. There are two forward paths here. This is one forward path P1 and this is the second forward path P2. So the path gain P1 will be equal to 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 1, that is equal to 24. Now the path gain P2 is equal to 1 into 5 into 1, that is equal to 5. So the Mason's gain formula can be rewritten as M is equal to 1 by delta into P1 delta 1 plus P2 delta 2, because there are only two forward paths. Now first we have to find this delta. So now we have to find delta. Delta is equal to 1 minus sum of all individual loop gains. So here you have to add L1 plus L2 plus L3 plus L4. So I am going to write delta is equal to 1 minus L1 plus L2 plus L3 plus L4 plus sum of gain products of all possible combinations of two non-touching loops. So from this you have to find two non-touching loops. You can see that this L1 and L3 are non-touching loops. All others are touching. So L1, L3 is the combination of non-touching loops L1 into L3 minus sum of gain products of all possible combinations of three non-touching loops. That term is 0, all other terms will become 0. Therefore, delta is equal to 1 minus, you have to add the loop gains of all these loops. So that will be equal to 1 minus, we have already found the loop gains, so substitute those values, minus 2 plus, minus 3 plus, minus 4 plus, minus 5 plus L1 into L3, that is minus 2 into minus 4, that is equal to delta is equal to 1 minus minus 14 plus 8, that is equal to 1 plus 14 plus 8, that is equal to 23. So we got delta is equal to 23. Now we have to find delta 1. If you consider this forward path, all the loops are touching this forward path. So all the loop values, loop gains will become 0. So when you consider this equation for delta, so I am considering delta 1. In this delta, all the loop values will be equal to 0. So delta 1 will be equal to 1 minus all these loops are touching the forward path P1. So all the values will become 0. So delta 1 is equal to 1. Now we have to find delta 2. Delta 2 is equal to the second forward path is this. So which all loops are not touching this forward path? You have to find out. L1 is touching this forward path. L3 is also touching this forward path. L4 is also touching this forward path. Only loop that is not touching this forward path is L2. So from this equation, you have to write delta 2. Delta 2 is equal to 1 minus, keep only L2 term. So that will be L2. That is 1 minus L2 is 1 minus 3. That is equal to 1 plus 3. That is equal to 4. Now we can find the overall gain C by R. Therefore, C by R is equal to M is equal to 1 by delta is 23 into P1 is 24 into delta 1 is 1 plus P2 is 5 into delta 2 is 4. This will be equal to 1 by 23 into 24 plus 20, that is equal to 44 by 23. So the value of C by R or overall gain is 44 by 23. So answer is option D. So this is how you do this question. This is the overall gain of the signal flow graph. If this video has helped you, please do subscribe to my channel. Also don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you.